Channel. Now, on this episode, we are going to learn about the management information system and e-business. Okay, introduction to the e-commerce. E-commerce. So, commerce means the exchange of any good and service of the economic value between the two or more entities. Example, producer to the consumer. Commerce is simply the action of buying and selling. E-commerce is also known as the electronic commerce. Commerce done through the electronic medium, i.e., through the internet and device like computer and mobile. Okay, example of e-commerce and EC application, international site Amazon, Tabo.com, eBay, Alibaba, Street, Gmail, then online marketplace, Leglog Mine, eBay, Rakuten.com, My Online Shopping, Olo 10, Easy My, Ubelly, B2C, Ledo, Zerola, IP Mart, Dell, Mobile Mega Mall, Sunsiski MPH Online Fashion Ballet na खल्ती ठुलो नेपाल फर्स्ट मार्केट प्लेस नेप्ले na सस्तो deal Foodmandu now another one muncha.com Daraj IMEPay PayPal eBay Cyprus Mastercard Master Visa Discover G Western Union Solo iPay eSeva Hello Paisa IMEPay Nabil Bank na Muda.com Foodpanda room service na luxury service my share rainbows outavenue.com now a penny auction solo my penny auction ubit my then online grocery Tesco Presto doorstep now deal site here Groupon living social deal mate street deal milk deal okay now lifestyle shopping white b d square okay now ticket travel air asia agoda golden sin cinema malaysian airlines okay now here e-commerce select product bank payment warehouse shipping customer now process of e-transaction product selected by the user on e-commerce site add item product into a cart then pay online through the credit card or online banking confirmation of payment through the email OTP now amount deducted on the user account message sent to inventory department shipment to the customer user now product selected by the user add selected product to cart pay online confirmation page, confirmation email. Now, message sent to the inventory department, shipping carrier, pick up order, and deliver to the right customer definition. Now, e-commerce or the electronic commerce is a technique of carrying out the purchase, sale, transport, and trade of the goods, service, and the data through the medium of the internet and electronic device, which address the need of business organization, seller, and buyer to improve the quality, commerce, and speed of the delivery. E-commerce is a digital way of doing commerce to establish the paperless exchange of the business information. Now, feature of the e-commerce now 24/7 availability service is available to the customer 24 hours a day. Anyone can get the service of e-commerce system in anywhere. Service can be delivered faster and reliably. Now, cashless system using e-payment and electronic transaction like credit card, debit card, mobile banking etc. Physical cash can be completely eliminated. Customer support, customer can report, review, and give feedback back to the organization through their e-commerce site, which can be used for improving the service even more. Now, better sale, wider range, large number of customer, and more internet traffic equal to the higher sale and the profit. Now, advertisement and marketing become more effective through the e-commerce. It can leverage the huge number of its user to promote the product and service. Now, automation, all the processes are automated. Transaction, organizational record, report, and other inventory management are managed efficiently and easily. Now, traditional commerce versus commerce. Commerce comparison, traditional commerce versus e-commerce, traditional commerce, e-commerce definition, a branch of business that is focused on buying and selling of the service and the good, the commercial transaction of good and service over the internet. Usage in the ancient time in still in usage which are the electronic processing now saves time and money. Forces no need for the education or the knowledge can be realized by everyone with the basic knowledge of an electronic processes easier to operate now mode. It can be used in any electronic form or manually through the electronic or digital mode. Now, time based on the each country law, it has a limited time available all the time. Now, first is a business model that enable to check the product or service before purchasing. Now, does not allow the checking product before purchasing. Now, face-to-face interaction between the buyer and seller is screen to face interaction. Now, business limited business performance and presence, more business global presence, maintenance. It is the cost effective to maintain and require to be attractive, easier to maintain. Now, payment, credit card, cash, check, etc. Credit card, cash transfer. Now, e-business, e-commerce is a subset of e-business. E-business is defined as the method of carrying out the business through the internet, such as buying and selling of the good and service through the e-commerce, along with the other business aspect like collaboration with other business organizations, sharing information, maintaining transaction, recruiting condition, and e-learning, etc. E-business, e-commerce. Now, business intelligence, customer relationship management, electronic transfer within firm. Now, supply chain management, enterprise resource management, e-commerce, online activities between business, collaboration, electronic transfer within the firm. Now, e-business and e-commerce, running e-business using internet termed as e-business, trading of the merchandise over the internet is termed as the e-commerce. Now, e-business has the broader concept and superset of e-commerce. Now, e-commerce commercial transactions are carried out in it. Transactions are not limited in it. Transactions are limited in it. Internet, intranet, extranet are used in e-business. Internet is used. E-business require website, ERP, CRM, apps, etc. E-commerce requires website and apps. Okay. Now, e-business is not limited to the monetary transaction but also marketing, operation, SCM. E-commerce is limited to monetary transaction only. Pure versus partial EC. EC is the pure and partial based on the product service, the process, the delivery agent, ordering, payment, fulfillment, delivery, shipment. Now, physical and digital. P means physical and now physical one, physical, non-EC, digital, pure EC, three, physical, partial EC, digital. Now, partial electronic commerce area, pure e-commerce, electronic commerce. Now, product, digital, physical product, traditional commerce, physical agent, digital agent, physical process, digital process, okay. Delivery method, example, partial e-commerce, buying the guitar from, mm, now buying ebook on Amazon, Kindle, buying Microsoft Office from Microsoft Store, buying song on Shopify. E-commerce framework. E-commerce framework, it is the framework for establishing a proper functioning of e-commerce business. Now, e-commerce framework, electronic commerce application, direct marketing, search, jobs, okay. And now the online banking, e-government, e-purchasing, B2B exchange, e-commerce, m-commerce, auction, travel, online publishing, consumer service. Public policy, tax, people, buyer, seller, intern, IS, people in management, tax, legal, privacy, regulation, standard, marketing, advertisement, market research, promotion, and content. Marketing and advertisement, support service, logistic, payment, content, security, system development, business partnership, affiliate program, joint venture, e-marketplace and Constrata, support service, common business service, infrastructure, smart card authentication, electronic payment, directory, catalog, messaging, information distribution, infrastructure, email, hypertext, transfer protocol, chat room, multimedia content and network publishing infrastructure, HTML, Java, XML, VRML, network infrastructure, telecom, cable TV, wireless internet, band, WAN, LAN, intranet, extranet, SS cell phone, interfacing infrastructure with database, business partner, application, assignment, okay. B2B communication, here classification of e-commerce, consumer business, government, consumer to consumer, consumer to consumer, government to consumer, government to business, business to business, consumer to business, government to consumer to government, business to government, government to government. Now, B2B e-commerce, business to business e-commerce refers to all the electronic transaction of the goods and sales that are conducted between the two companies. This type of e-commerce typically explain the relationship between the producer of a product and the wholesaler who advertise the product to purchase to the consumer. Example, Intel selling microprocessor to HPCG, selling the YY to Badwetini. Now, B2C e-commerce, business to consumer e-commerce, also called the retail commerce, is a business model that involves the sale between online business and consumer. Apple Dra selling laptop, customer from Apple Dra selling his product to user. Also, C2C, consumer to consumer e-commerce, is a commercial model which one consumer sell is good in service to the other consumer online. Example, selling a second-hand bike in Amro Bazaar, putting up display on the website. Now, C2B is also known as the consumer to consumer business that charge learn to complete the reversal of the traditional model with those with end user creating the product and service. Example, freelancing website like Upwork, Fiverr, etc. Now, B2G e-commerce, B2G stand for the business to government, implying the relationship between the business to government agency and the government institutional. B2G is defined as a sale model when the company sell product and service and information to the government or the government agencies such as federal, state, or the local agency. Example, IT company making government website, a business organization website, government. Now, G2 e-commerce, government to business e-commerce, business model that refers to the government providing service or the information to the business organization. Government uses a B2G model website to approach a business organization such as support auction, tender, and application submission functionality. Government opening e-tender for various governmental tax, government website, business organization. Now, G2C uh, commerce, government to G2C model website to approach the citizen in general, such as website support services like the registration, birth, marriage, and death certificate. Now, main objective of G2C website to reduce the average time for fulfilling the citizen request, citizen paying tax up to the internet, registering for the passport online assignment. Okay, electronic market, source negotiable, valuation, logistic, payment, authentication, Yahoo, Java, Amazon, Web 1.0, Yahoo, Java, Netscape, Amazon. Okay, uh, now Web 2.0 participatory, centralized. It's no intermediary, advanced, decentralized. Okay. Now, social network and service willing user generated content ability to connect individual all over the world. There are free. Okay. Now, types of social media, social network, blogging and publishing network, publish content online. Example: WordPress, Tumblr, Medium. Social shopping network, Polyver, Street Fancy, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube. Now discussion forums, share news and idea, Quora, Reddit, Dig. Okay, now bookmarking network, network shape share, sharing economy network, Airbnb, Uber, TaxRabbit. Then the commerce, mobile commerce using the wireless handheld device like a smartphone and tablet for conducting the e-commerce. It is dependent on the mobile-based application app. The main concept of commerce is that the people can use the mobile phone to carry out of the business a transaction anytime, anywhere to go. Commerce attribute, specific attribute of commerce: mobility, broad reach, ubiquity, convenience, instant connectivity. Man commerce, assessing access network. Commerce, location-based commerce. E-commerce, location-based technology. Global positioning system, GPS, a wireless system that uses the satellites to enable user to determine their position anywhere in the earth. Location, commerce infrastructure, a location finder, positioning component, mobile positioning center, user, mobile device, mobile communication network, service or the application provider, data, the content product provider, geographical information system, GIS, adopting application, local based service and application, location, locating the person carrying the smartphone and smart device with GPS, navigation, plotting a route from one place to another, tracking a assist, locating a friend, geographical location, tracking the stolen car, mapping, creating a map of a specific geographical location information, or the directory services, dynamic page automatically inform the user about the nearest restaurant, parking facility, emergency service, medical ambulance, search and rescue mission, advertising promotion, targeted air, promotional message, customer identification in store. Okay, now this is the fifth sem, manage information system in e-business. Okay, I'll upload this note to website. Okay.